Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, or good evening. If this is your evening, this is the Igbo Tutor live. Wherever you are, this is the great time to have our live class. So you begin to join in now. Let's begin this class in earnest. Waiting for you to join up this class now. Let's begin. This is the Igbo Tutor live. Where are you now? If you know you are supposed to be in this class, begin to join in now, and let's have this class together. Begin to come in now. Let's have this class right away. Yes. Where are you now? Where are you? The Igbo Tutor is live, waiting for you to join up the class so we can meet as usual. Yes. I'm waiting for you to join up the class. Yes. The Igbo Tutor is live. Begin to join now. Begin to join now. Okay. Begin to join the class now. I'm waiting for you to join the class now. Yes, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you to come online now. Let's have this class together. Yeah. So where are you now? Where are you? Join the class now. Join the class now. Okay. The Igbo Tutor is live. Come on now, let's have this class together. Let's have this class together. If you are a princess, you're welcome to class. Keki mere. Dewo. Can you see my comment? Yes, I can see your comments. No. Princess, can you hear me? Princess, confirm if you can hear me. I can see your comment. Can you hear me? Princess, can you hear me? Very well. You're welcome to class. We are waiting for others to join the class so that we can begin fully. Okay. Yes. We are waiting for others to join the class. We are waiting for others. Princess Keki Mary. Kee maka ọrụ na ihe niile ọ na-agakwa ọfụma? I hope all is going on well with you. Ọkwa ihe niile na-aga ọfụma n'ebe ị nọ. Okay. Okay. Dr. Abdullahi, ndewo. Okay. Ọrụ na-aga ọfụma. Daalụ. Ekele dịrị Chineke. Dr. Abdullahi, no. Welcome to class. Kee ka ị mere, Dr. Abdullahi? Ndewo, Dr. Abdullahi. Kee ka ị mere? Dr. Abdullahi, kedu? We hope others will join this class as early as possible so we can do as much as we can within the time we have. We don't want to exceed 1 hour. The class may not really be up to 1 hour, depending on how fast we're able to move. So, Dr. Abdullahi, Keki Imere, I need your response if you are hearing me. Dr. Abdullahi, Keki Imere. Okay, Odimma. That's great. That's great. I like that. Okay. We wait for maybe 2 more people and then we take off. Let's see whether 2 more people will join the class before the takeoff time. Are we okay with that? To wait for 2 more people at least to join the class. Is that okay? Sorry for that waiting. We are supposed to keep to time. Do you want us to wait for at least 2 more people to join the class before we begin? What do you say to that? If you are supposed to be in this class, please join up now. We don't want to keep the people that came early too long. So if you should be in this class, it's expected you join up now. And if you are seeing me right now and you have any interest in learning Igbo language via this live class, we encourage you to join up our membership so that you can have access to our live classes. Do that today. Join our membership and participate in our live classes every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. If you have joined this class, drop your greetings so that we can pick your name and welcome you officially to class. Please register your presence by dropping your greeting. That is very important. Let's do that now so we can know those who are in the class. I have 2 people that have marked their register, Princess Ezeunwa and Dr. Abdullahi. If you are in the class and we have not picked your name, it means you've not greeted us. Drop your greetings, Dewo, Dalo, Kedu, just say something. That way we will know you are in the class, we will welcome you. We also communicate with you because this is a live class where we talk to each other. Do that now if you are in the class. If you are in the class, please indicate by dropping a greeting. Okay, Kenny Alex is in the class. There, Kenny. Who else is here that has not talked to us? By my count here, I have 4 people, but I only recognize 3. Who is the 4th person that is not greeting us? Please, let's know you're in the class. Let's call you by name. Let's welcome you. Let's interact with you. That's why it's a live class. While we are doing that, the class is starting now. At least by my attendance count here, I have four people, plus myself, making 5. So we are good to start, while others will be joining us. Let's look at what we did last time and start from there. I'm going to share where this is the last thing we did last time. Last few things we did last time. Okay. We began we continued our conjunction last time. Remember, we are covering conjunction under different subheadings, and we began last week in this way, or 2 weeks ago. In fact, last week rather, 2 weeks ago, last week I was off for some reasons. So we are covering conjunction under different subtopics. We have uh, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and conjunctive adverb. We did the first one last time, and then we entered subordinating conjunction. Under that, we covered cause and effect, and we have covered time in our last lesson. I do believe that we are all seeing the board on display. If you are seeing the display, please let me be sure. Just say yes. Okay. And today, we are going to cover place, condition, contrast, and purpose today. Under place, we're having where, okay, and wherever. Under condition, we're having if, unless, in case, as long as. Under contrast, we are having although, which is also the same thing as though, whereas, despite that. And then under purpose, we're having so that. These are the things we are covering today, starting from place, condition, contrast, and purpose. So we'll run through it now as fast as we can, with the small time we have. So let's go. We are beginning right away. And then we're taking up the first one, under place. So I'm going to pop up the first question now, under place. And let's try to attempt that. Okay. This is the first question, under place. I sat outside where I can receive fresh air. The Igbo version, anọ m ọdụ n'ezi dash nwere ike ịnata ikuku ọma. Of course, you know the procedure. You are not new to the class. You fill in the gap with the Igbo version of the word where. Okay, let's go. I got one response from Kenny already. Okay, I wait for others to drop their own responses. I got one from Kenny. I got one from Adeze, Princess. Yes. Who else is giving us an option? Dr. Blahi, where are you? Drop your own option. What do you say to this? What is your answer? Dr. Ablahi. What do we use to fill the gap in Igbo language? Okay, Dr. Ablahi is also in. And these are the 3 people I'm very sure of that have registered their presence in the class. So that's great. So let's go look for the answer and see whether that is what we have as the answer. All right, we're going for the answer now. Let's see what we have. This is our answer. I think those of you that answered, you all got it correct, including Dr. Blahi. Kenyales Ebe, Princess Ebe, Ablahi Ebe, Nake is just coming. Okay. And then he also answered Ebe, which is correct. You all got it right. So, congratulations to everybody here. Got the first question all correct, 100%. Okay, let's go to second question now for today. Second question of the day. Let's go pull it up and see what it is. Ready to go. Here is second question for the day. Let's go. Clement Emehen Dewo, welcome to class. Okay, we're moving on. We can meet wherever it is most convenient. Remember, we're considering this under place. And the word here is wherever, fill in the gap. Anyị pụrụ izute dash ọkacha mma. Let's go there. Fill in the gap now. Drop your answer. Kenya Les has dropped his answer. Who else is giving us answer now? Give us your answer now. Dr. Blind is in. Okay. And Clement is in. Okay. Clement is in. Who else is there? Princess is in. Princess say, Amaim, that's fine. So that YouTube can show it to more people and let them join the class. Okay? Let's go. What are the answers I have now? Kenya. Moving on. And then we have Clement Emehe, Ebe Mwe, Dr. Blahi, Ebe Obula, Princess Amayim, Nake Ebe Obula. All right. Those are the answers we have. Let's go check. What is the answer? The right answer. Let's go there. Okay. What do we have? Share it now and see what it is. Here we go. This is our answer. How many people got it right? Kenya Les Ebobola, correct. Dr. Blahi, Ebobola, correct. Who else answered? Nake Ebobola, correct. We can meet wherever it is most convenient. Anyị pụrụ izute ebe ọbụla ọ kacha mma. So ebe ọbụla is the right answer there. Okay? So Princess Ezenwa, make your correction. It's ebe ọbụla. Okay? Ebe ọbụla. Let's go. Let's stop sharing and go back. Pull up the next question. And this is the third question for today. Let's go. Third question for today is this. Here we are. Let's go. I will give you, this is under condition. We are finished place. We are under condition now. I will give you if you come on time. Aga m enye gị dash ịbịa n'oge. Let's fill in the gap now. Let's go there. Aga m enye gị dash ịbịa n'oge. Let's go there. Let's go there. Kenny Alice is in. Kenny Alice is in. Kenny is leading the class today. I hope somebody will challenge him. Yes. Who else is dropping his or her answer now? If. Condition. Ajụjụ. If. Aga m enye gị dash ịbịa n'oge. If. Let's go there. Let's go there. Let's go there. I have only one answer. What are the rest waiting for? Let's go. If you have not given this live class a thumbs up, please do. Look at the like button beside my channel name, and then hit the like button there beside my channel name. Not here, but on my channel homepage. Please do that and share if it's possible to share. Okay. I have our answers coming in now, rolling in. Kenya Les is in. Nake is in. Princess is in. Clement is in. Who else is remaining? Dr. Blahi, where are you? Dr. Blahi, waiting for you to come in so we can compare the answers. Yes, Dr. Ablahi, where are you? We are waiting for you, Doctor. Why I'm waiting for you? I need to go look for the answer. Yeah. Okay, Dr. Blahi is in also. Is in also. So let's see. It appears all of you are on course in this one. Oh. All of you seem to be hitting the right notes here. Okay. This is what we have. I will give you if you come on time. Aga m enye gị ma ọ bụrụ na ị bịa n'oge. All of you are almost there, except that if you don't put ma in this sentence, it will not flow very well. It will not flow well. If you say aga m enye gị ọ bụrụ na ị bịa n'oge, the sentence is disjointed. So there needs to be something to make it flow smoothly. And that is why we have ma ọ bụrụ na. Otherwise, you guys are correct. Ma ọ bụrụ na. Okay? Ma ị bịa n'oge or ma ọ bụrụ na ị bịa n'oge. We can also use ma alone to say aga m enye gị ma ị bịa n'oge. So, but ọ bụrụ na makes it, fuller and comprehensive. I hope that is clear. Okay. Let's go to question number 4 for today. Okay. And this is what we have coming. Question for today, for number 4 rather. Here it is. Here it is. Number 4. Under condition, you cannot come in unless you wash your hand. Ị gaghị abata n'ime dash. Ị kwọchara aka gị. Let's go. Unless. Unless. Let's go there. Let's go there. Unless. 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 Yes. Clement Emehe is in. He says, Amaghị m ya. It's good to confess rather than keep us waiting for you. Okay? Who is breaking this one now? Who is cracking it? Who is cracking it? Yes? Where are you guys? Let's go. Ị gaghị abata n'ime das. Ị kwọchara aka gị. Who is breaking this? Who is cracking unless? Unless. Yes. Who is delivering us? Kenya Les has come in. Nake has come in. Great work. Kenny, even although you say not sure, it's all right. You don't need to be sure. Just say what you think. You might be right. Who knows? Just say what you think. So don't wait until you are sure. Give a response. That is the beauty of the class. Sometimes we need to have options here and there. We can talk about that. We can use it to clarify some things. So you must not be sure always. Just make attempt. Yes, so where is Princess? Where is Dr. Bly? Clement has already declared. He has no idea. So I'm waiting for Princess and Dr. Abdullahi to tell us something. Yes, Princess, Dr. Abdullahi, tell us something. Amaim, Princess has also declared that he doesn't know. Dr. Abdullahi, what do you say? What did Dr. Abdullahi say? Dr. Abdullahi, we are waiting for you. What do you say about unless? Unless. Unless. I must commend Nake for that sentence. Okay, Dr. Abdullahi say, I've forgotten. All right, go for the answer. Nake made a very good effort there. I hope he gets it. Yeah, very good effort he made there, honestly. That's surprising for him to get that idea. Yeah, here we are. I think Nake cracked this. More buena. More buena. He got it. I said it. Praise the Nake family. Thumbs up for you. You beat everybody to the game. More buena. Nothing to add, nothing to remove. Nake got it perfectly well. More buena. More buena. You deserve a thumbs up, Nake. Yes, oh, you deserve a thumbs up. Thumbs up for you. Sure, sure, sure. You deserve a thumbs up. Okay? So we can all make our corrections and then, update our records from this, unless more buena. Sentence reads, Igaya bata n'ime ma ọ bụghị na ị kwọchara aka gị. Excellent sentence. Excellent one. Let's update our records as we move on now. Okay. We go to the next question. And what do we have? Number 5 question now. Number 5. Okay. Number 5. This is what we got. Let's go. I am carrying umbrella in case it rains. Eji m ncheanwụ, that is umbrella. Dash mmiri zobe. In case. Let's go. In case. In case. Condition. In case. Let's go there. Who is cracking this one? Nake did excellent job in the other one. Who is cracking this one for us? Yes, let's go. Who is breaking this one in pieces? Who is destroying and dismantling this one? In case. Let's go there. If you have not given us a thumbs up, it's not fair. Give us a thumbs up. Hit the like button beside our name. We appreciate that for this live class. Very important. Share if you can. Thank you for doing that. So, who is breaking this one? Who is cracking it? No response yet. Everybody is thinking about it. You put on your thinking cap like my own. That's good, Dr. Bly. More buena. Okay. Almost the same thing like the other one, the same response. Let's see whether that is correct or not. Yes. Who else? Come in with your answers. Kenny Alex, Amayim. Kenny, this is getting tough. Getting tougher. That's good. It's interesting. The beauty of it is that You learn from others, others learn from you, we learn from each other. Okay? Nakese koborona. Okay? Okay? Any other contribution? Where's Princess? Is it the same mime this time around? Yes. Anyone? Anyone coming in with something? Princess has not given me any response. Emehe, are you still there? Where's your response? Clement Emehe, where are you? Okay. Obruna, that's Mr. Clement's response. Okay. Nakese Koboruna. Okay. I'm waiting for Princess. Is there a mime or you have an idea? Just say something. Yes, Princess. What do you say to this? In case. In case. In case. Okay. Can you say more Bruna? That's okay. Princess, are you there? I copied. Okay, say you copied. Okay, no problem. It's good to confess. Where is Princess? Tell us something. Either you know or you don't know. Either of the two. If you know, tell us what you know. If you don't know, say, I don't know. Let's go on. Give and supply the answer. Yes, Princess. You are the one we are waiting for. Tell us something now. Tell us something, Princess. Everyone. I hope you are still there. Are you still there? Princess, cool down now. Let me reach out for the answer. Go for the answer. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. I didn't hear from Princess. Maybe she's busy doing something else. We come. This is the answer. Ade amama. Ade amama. Eji m ncheanwụ adịghị ama ama mmiri zobe. Adịghị ama ama. Adịghị ama ama. In case. In case. Adịghị ama ama. Okay? How many of you agree with me that this is the correct answer? If you agree with me, say I agree. If you agree that this is the correct answer, say I agree. Type it now. Let me see it. Eji m ncheanwụ adịghị ama ama mmiri zobe. Who is agreeing with me? Yes. Let's go. Say I agree if that is okay by you. Is it network that is holding you guys? Your response is not flowing fast. Could it be network? Okay, Kenny say I agree. That's fine. Okay, Anyi, anyway, choice. We agree. We have no choice. No, you have a choice. If you have another idea, or you think you have not, it's either you have not had something like this before, but you am sure every Igbo man knows that Adia Mama is in case. Okay, that is Adia Mama in case, peradventure. You prepare something in case. Okay, it's Adia Mama. So Clement Emehe, it's not just you have no choice. This is what it is. Okay? Right? It appears Princess Ezenwa is no more in class. I don't know what happened. I'm not getting her response again. Okay, let's go. for the next one. Let's go for the next one. Still under condition. Still under condition. Let's go there. This is what we have. I will help you as long as you are obedient. Yes, Clement is asking, does it have to do anything to do with knowledge? Yes, of course. Adiyama is I don't know if something will happen. Okay, because I don't know. Adiyama, because I don't know if rain will fall. I'm holding umbrella because I don't know if rain will fall. In case it falls, I don't know whether it will fall. So I'm holding umbrella in preparation because I don't know perfectly whether it will fall at the yama. So that's fine. Okay. We have a question before us. I will help you as long as you are obedient. Aga m enyere gị aka. Das ị na-erube isi. Let's go. Today's question seems tough. But it's good. It's good. We are learning new things. That's fine. That's why we are in class to learn. Okay? As long as, who is helping out? As long as. Who is helping us today on this question? Moboro na. That is Kenya Lex. What other options do we have? Who is responding to us now? Yes. New ideas. Drop your own idea. As long as. Yes. Any more options? If you don't know or you don't have any idea, just say, I don't know. Amaim. That way, we will not wait for you again. We will move on to supply the answer. You either give your answer or you say, Amaim. Okay. Mazi Clement say, Amaim. That's fine. Total blind. Very sweet to hearing. Okay. Nake Momborona. Okay. That's good options there, here and there. Okay. I will help you as long as you're obedient. Aga m enyere gị aka dash ị na-erube isi. Any other option coming in? Answered. I don't know. I can't trace Princess again. I'm not sure she's still in the class. Let's go pull up our answer and see what it is. Okay. Let's pull up our answer and see what it is. I will help you as long as you are obedient. Aga m enyere gị aka ruo mgbe ị na-erube isi. As long as, up to the point, continuously as long as. Okay? Aga m enyere gị aka ruo mgbe ị na-erube isi. Ma ọ bụrụ na is more of if you are obedient. That is ma ọ bụrụ na, if you are obedient. Okay? But as long as, it's talking about timing. It's talking about timing. Okay? As long as it will continue, as far as you continue to do that thing, the help will continue to come. But when you stop being obedient, the help will stop. So it is rue mgbe ị na-erube isi. Okay? Rue mgbe ị na-erube isi. Enyi ọma, Sherry Mango, late comer, you are welcome to class anyway. There we go. Okay. Right. This is the answer. Aga m enyere gị aka ruo mgbe ị na-erube isi. On up to the time you continue to be obedient, I will be helping you. Okay? As long as you continue to obey, the help will continue to come. Okay? But once you stop obeying, the help will stop. Okay? Aga m ahapụkwa ngwa ngwa. I will be leaving soon as well. Okay? No problem. No problem. At least you have contributed to the class today. Thank you. So, that is what it is. Fine. So, let's go to the 7th question today. Nake, if you can wait a little bit, we do not have too many questions to ask. We're going to number 10, and we are in number 7 already. So if you can wait a little bit, you can actually complete the class. Okay. We are in number 7 now. We're going to number 10 for today's class. This is what we have. We are going to contrast now. Contrast. Opposing meanings. She was solid, although tiny. She was solid, although tiny. Although and though are almost virtually the same thing. Although and though. So we'll treat them as the same thing. O siri ezigbo ike dash o pere mpe. So what do you say? Although o siri ezigbo ike dash o pere mpe. She was solid, although she was also tiny. Okay? Even though, although, the same thing. Even though. What do you say? Kenny said something. I'm holding that with my hand. I'm waiting for others to give their own opinion. Yes. What do you say? Kenny Alice is in. Clement is in. Sherry Mango is in. Yes. Who else has not answered? Nake, have you gone or you're still around? Clement Emehe is in. I don't know about Dr. Blahi. Where are you? Give us your response. Give us your response. O siri ezigbo ike dash o pere mpe. She was solid, although tiny. Contrast. Yes, doctor. Anyone trying to join this class who is not a member of this channel will not be able to join the class. So the first thing you have to do is to join a channel membership. That way, you will participate in these classes every Saturday at 2 p.m. Nigeria time. Do that today, and you'll be glad you did. Okay. Nake said, n'agbanyeghị. Okay. Kenny, agbanyeghị. Clement, agbanyeghị. Cherry Yango, agbanyeghị. Agbanyeghị. Okay. Cherry, your own is agbanyeghị. Okay. Even Kenny say agbanyeghị. Something is missing that spelling. But Clement Emehe got the spelling right. Nake agbanyeghị. That spelling is correct there. But let's go pull up the and see if that is exactly what it is. Okay, let's go there and see whether that is what it is or something different. I think you guys are in line. Okay, that is it. N'agbanyeghị na o pere mpe. Nake almost got it perfectly well. The na at the back is needed. You can't just say, o siri ezigbo ike n'agbanyeghị o pere mpe. No, n'agbanyeghị na o pere mpe. That na is important there. N'agbanyeghị na o pere mpe. That na at the back is important. Those of you trying to join our live class, please, you should join our channel membership first to gain access to our live class. This is meant for only channel members. So join our channel membership to gain access to our free live class every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Thank you for doing that. So that is the correction here. That na at the end, at the other side is important. Na operempe. Right. But generally, all of you were in line. You had an idea of that. Okay, is that okay? Let's go to the next question. Question number 8. We're driving to question number 10. So we go to question number 8. And what do we have here? Question number 8. And this is what we have. Number 8. Here we go. Here we go. Contrast. Whereas water put out fire, whereas gasoline feeds it. Mmiri na-emenyụ ọkụ dash mmanụ ụgbọ na-akpali ya. Let's go. The word is whereas. Whereas. Contrast. Let's shoot it. Whereas. Mmiri na-emenyụ ọkụ dash mmanụ ụgbọ na-akpali ya. Water puts off fire, whereas gasoline feeds it. Gasoline supports it. Let's go there. Shoot your answer now. Okay, Dr. Blahi, Kemesia, Dalo Doctor, thank you for coming to class today. Okay, Kenya Les, say Ebe, Ebe. Okay, good one. Let's see what other people will say. What do you say? Sherry Mango, Nake, Clemente Mehe, what do you say? What is your position on this matter? Nake also is holding to Ebe. Clement said Mana. I love these options. I love the option. Sherry Mango, what do you say? Sherry Mango, so Ibi, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. What do you say? Sherry Mango. What is your opinion? If you don't know, you say Amaim. Let's know we are not expecting you again. Amaim. Yes. Sherry Mango, are you there? Are you there? I'm pulling it down now. I want to reach out for the answer now. And go for the answer. Okay. I go for the answer now. Yes. So both camps are correct. Those who say mana and those who say ebe, you are correct. Ebe is correct. Mana too is correct. You can see I slashed it and I put two of them there. So, which means if you use ebe, you are right. If you use mana, you are right. Both camps are correct. Right? That is interesting. Mmiri na-emenyụ ọkụ ebe mmanụ na-akpali ya. Or mmiri na-emenyụ ọkụ mana mmanụ na-akpali ya. Okay. Nake said Agawagom is taking permission now. Thank you for coming to class today. Let's go to number 9. Okay. Let's go to number 9. Right. What do we have here in number 9? Let's go. Number 9. What do we have? Number 9. Here we go. Contrasts. Ajojo. Despite the fact that I reminded her twice, she still forgot my book. Dash echetara m ya ugbo abụọ, o mechara chefuo akwụkwọ m. What do you say? Despite the fact that. What is that in Igbo? Despite the fact that. What do we say? How do we write that in Igbo language? Despite that, or despite the fact that. Yes, let's go. Let's go there. Drop it now. Those of you who are still in class now, let's go. Despite the fact that. Despite the fact that. Kenya less. N'agbanyeghị na. Great work. Yes. Clement Emehe, what do you say? Sherry Mango, what do you say to this? What do you say? What is your position? Despite the fact that. So things happen, something else still happen. Clement said, Abanye. Good one. Sherry Mango, what do you say? Sherry Mango, are you still in the class? You either say Amaim or you give us your answer. That way we know we're not waiting for you. Yes, what do you say? Are you there? Are you there, Sherry Mango? So Ibi, are you still there? Okay, I'm going to pull down and get the answer now. Let's go for the answer. I think you guys are in order. Let's go pull the answer. I think both answers are n'agbanyeghị na or agbanyeghị na. Okay, the only thing Clement is supposed to add to his own is na. Agbanyeghị na. Agbanyeghị na or n'agbanyeghị na. So if you put n'agbanyeghị na, is still correct, or agbanyeghị na, that is still correct. All right. So let's go to the last one for today. Last one for today. Yes. We're pulling number 10 now, which is the last for today. Put your keys. Are we there? Put your keys in your bag now, so that is purpose. Purpose of doing something, so that you don't forget them. Put your keys in your bag now, so that you don't forget them. Tinye igodo gị n'akpa gị kịta. Dash. Ị ghara ichefu ya. Tinye igodo gị n'akpa gị kịta. Dash. Ị ghara ichefu ya. What should fill the gap? So that. Purpose. So that. Let's fill the gap now. Let's fill the gap now. Waiting for you. Filling the gap now. Filling the gap now. Okay, Kenny Alex is in. That's fine. Anybody stay there? Anyone stay there with an answer? Though not sure, but at least you made effort. That effort is very important. Clement Emehe, ya merena. Okay. Good attempt. Good attempt. Good effort. Let's go put answer. I think Ka is a better answer. Even though you say you are not sure, but that your answer is okay. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. And here we go. And exactly the answer, ka. See why it is good to try? You see why it's good to try than not trying at all? See, Kenya, let's try has given us the answer. Ka iyara ichefu ya. So don't always underestimate what you know. Use what you know. You might be right. Ka iyara ichefu ya. This is where we end today's lesson, and we appreciate those of you that came to contribute to learning and to helping others to learn too. I believe you have learned one or two things today that you don't know before. So, if that is the case, give us a thumbs up as we round off this class today. I appreciate you for coming. See you next week, Saturday, same time. Kemesia Chukugosiegi. Okay. Waiting for a thumbs up. If you know you have gained something from today's class, give us a thumbs up now as we round off this class. Thank you, Kenya Les. We appreciate your commitment to this, your support, your contributions. Chukugoziegi. Okay. And that's where we end it. Okay, Messia. Bye.